Alright, what's up guys? Not much. Today's video probably will be kind of short and boring, but you know, kind of bored. It's late night, I ain't got nothing to do. And two, somebody left a comment like, maybe what, like 2 or 3 videos ago, somebody was like, hey, can you do a DIY on how to make a clear plastic top for an ECU? I was like, yeah, I guess it's probably something I could do because I don't have any clear plastic tops for my ECU and I have some extra Lexan laying around. So I figured, let's give it a try. Never done it before. I guess they're kind of expensive online. I think the plastic tops, the clear plastic tops for the ECUs, I want to say they're like $70 or $80. And that's kind of expensive. This was probably like, I don't know, probably $5 for that. And here's just some leftover I had laying around. So I figured hopefully we can make 2 or 3 out of these. I'd like to squeeze 4 out of this, but I don't know if I have enough material to make 4. So we're gonna give it a try. So I got clear Lexan and I got some tinted Lexan. So I figured, yeah, let's give it a try. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, step 1, grab your ECU. Make sure it's modified for an 0506 only. And I guess what we're gonna do, pop screws off this, line this up, probably trace it out, and let's see how it works. So we got one down. Let's peel this off. Hopefully it looks good. Not too sure how my cuts came out. Hopefully I measured once, cut once. We'll see how that worked out. Yeah, not look too bad. Actually, let me grab a rag, make sure I wipe this thing off, make it look right? All right, so nice clear cover here. Ooh. All right, well, let's see if it fits. Hopefully our holes lined up. I don't think they did because we didn't cut them correctly. Maybe. and bam, that looks kind of nice, doesn't it? Not bad for a little 5-minute setup. Guess we'll see. Actually, let me see. I might have a sticker for this. Let me see if I grab a sticker. All right, grab the sticker. I think that looks kind of nice. Man, nice little custom job here. I guess let's give it a try now on the tinted one. We're gonna see how that one comes out. We'll grab another ECU and we'll see how that looks too. So 1 down, what, 4 to go. All right, so we did the exact same thing, literally just cut it out of this one. So let's go ahead and peel this one off, see how it looks. Should fit, we're gonna hope. All right, what do you guys think? Tinted, clear, I don't know. Guess we'll see. Let's go ahead and throw this on the ECU real quick and compare the two. All right, so what do you guys think? I don't know. I don't think I like the tinted as much compared to the clear. Well, actually, hang on. Let me throw a sticker on this. Yeah, you got that sticker on it. That's what makes it cool, right? 'Cause if you didn't put the sticker on it, did you really get it? You know. All right. So after about 5 minutes of trying to get a sticker on, this is what we come up with: a nice clean cover with Hondata written on it. You can kind of still see the K Pro back there in it. I guess which one do you guys think you like better? Clear, tinted? I don't know. I think I like the clear a little bit better than the tinted one, but I guess you guys can leave in the comment which ones you like better. We'll probably throw it on the car. I'll probably just keep the other one and just, I don't know, it's just sitting in the box. So yeah, so whichever one you guys think we should use on the car, just let me know. But all right, guys, next video, who knows what we'll be doing? I have no idea, but yeah. So any video suggestion like this, for example, leave it below in the comments. We'll get back to it. But yeah, like, subscribe, you know, share the video, who knows. Later.